Good morning. We'll start session 5 on chapter surface area and volume. So today we will study about sphere and hemisphere. So when we talk about sphere, it will only have the surface area. So it's surface area, that is because it's one whole. There is no CSA and TSA. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Hemisphere when we talk about, so CSA and TSA. So CSA is 2 pi r square and TSA is 3 pi r square. So with respect to these formulas, let us find out quickly. So whenever we deal with sphere, the only question given there is about surface area. So we should know it is both which are the same. First exercise, the exercise first one. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius. So it is a sphere what they have given, where r is given as 10.5 centimeter. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5. If you want 10.5, you can convert that in terms of fraction also and write into 10.5. Cancel that and finally answer will be 1836 centimeter square. Simple one? Yes. We have two more here in this main. So take down your homework, sums children here. First main, second one is homework. Third one is homework. Look at the second one. Find the surface area of the sphere whose diameter is given. Can we convert diameter to radius? 14 centimeter is the diameter. R is 7. 21 centimeter is diameter. 21 by 2 is radius. 3.5 meter is diameter. 3.5 by 2 is radius. Diameter is given. Convert the radius form and then again apply the same formula. Second one is also very simple. All three are marked. Third one, find the total surface area of the hemisphere. Total surface area of the hemisphere, 3 pi r square, a direct sum whose radius is given. Use pi as 3.14. Instead of 22 by 7, use it as 3.14. Third one is marked as homework as well. We'll start with the fourth one. Don't use 22 by 7. Instead of that, write 3.14. Fourth one. The radius of the spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface areas in these two cases. So case 1, where r is equal to how much here first? 7 cm. So it is a balloon. Understood that is spherical balloon. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is 7 into 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So multiply this, you will get answer as 616 centimeter square. Second case, surface where r is how much? Radius of balloon increases from 7 to 14 centimeter. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 2464. Ratio of surface area of first one to surface area to second one. First one to second one, what we are finding? 616 is to 2464. That is equal to 1 by 4. This implies they are in the ratio 1:4. Okay. Fifth one now. hemispherical ball made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating on it inside at the rate of. So it is a hemisphere. All direct questions here. So in the hemisphere, radius is given as 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost. Find CSE. CSE of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. So answer would be 173.25 centimeter square. Next, cost of tin plating is rupees 16 for 100 meter 100 centimeter square. Therefore, what is the cost for 173.25 centimeter square? What cost we have to pay for this? Just cross multiply 16 into 173.25 divided by 100. So you have to pay rupees 27.7. All calculations, multiplication, division, which comes here. Next one. Seventh one. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Find the ratios of the surface area. So it is about moon and earth where nothing is being mentioned. We only have to consider here now. So let us first consider, let the radius of earth be r. We'll name this as radius of earth be r. Okay, let us name it like this so we'll understand. Therefore, diameter of earth will be how much? D of E is 2r. Keep it as it is. Next part. What they have given? Given diameter of moon. This represents, now from here we have understood radius of earth, diameter of earth. Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of earth. Is it correct? I need not write this in sentences. If you want, you can write that. Diameter of moon is 1/4 the diameter of earth. 1/4 into 2r. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So diameter of moon is r by 2. Then next what we have to find? Radius of, therefore, radius of moon is equal to what? Half of diameter. So which is nothing but r by 2 into 1 by 2. Radius of moon is equal to r by 4. I'll just put all this radius into box. Radius of moon, radius of earth, which is actually required. Okay, I will write it here, children. Radius of earth is r, radius of moon is r by 4. Shall I erase this now? Remaining things I don't require. Why? Because only radius part is used everywhere. Where? In the given sums. To continue further, I will just erase this. So now let us read what they have asked. Find the ratio of the surface area. Ratio of surface area of their surface area means first moon what we have to find, to surface area of earth is equal to formula 4 pi r square. So it is r of moon. No, I will write here. So 4 pi r of earth whole square. Okay. 4 pi and 4 pi will get cancelled anyhow. What is radius of the moon? Radius of the moon is r by 4 whole square divided by, what is radius of the earth? R. So this is r square by 16 divided by, r square I have to take. Radius of the earth is r, but this is square, divided by r square. R square by 16 into 1 by r square. That is 1:16. So surface area of moon to earth is 1:16. Okay. Next one. Only thing we have to arrange it properly first to write. Eighth one. A hemispherical ball is made out of steel of 0.2 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl. So if it is a bowl, then that means it is a hemisphere. Okay. So inner radius is how much? Inner radius of the bowl r is equal to 5 centimeter. Thickness of the bowl. Thickness of the bowl is equal to how much? 0.25 centimeter. Therefore, now bowl, when we talk about inner radius and the thickness part also is counted. Now for example, now assume that this is a bowl. Okay, so this part thickness will be there, no, of that bowl. That is what they are talking about. Thickness is 0.25. According to that inner radius, total radius will be how much? That we call it as a outer radius. I consider this as r. Only this part will be used. Nothing but radius plus 0.25. That is 5 plus 0.25. So r is equal to 5.25 centimeter. What we have to find now? Find the curved surface area of a bowl. CSA is equal to, CSA formula, 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25. Do the calculation. You will get answer as 1725 centimeter square. And the last sum. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. So according to them, there is a cylinder which encloses exactly a sphere. Okay, of radius r. So first of all, what we can write here is, this is a cylinder. So radius of the cylinder is r. Now if radius of the cylinder is r, height of the cylinder, what I have to now consider here. Now see, this is r part here. This is also r. This exactly encloses a cylinder, means sphere if I consider. Now this will become r and r. So height 2r, sphere. Radius is r. Okay, dimensions we have written now. Now what we have to first find? Surface area of the sphere. Surface area. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So let us keep this let us keep this pi in terms of this only, because when we are cancelling it, finally we have to find the ratio of that. So what we will do is, we will keep it in terms of this only. 4 pi r square, where r is r only. So this will remain again the same. 4 pi r square units. Understood why? I will not write pi value as 22 by 7, calculate it now, because finally I want the ratio. I'll keep this answer in terms of pi, you can consider. Next, what they have asked in the second part, this is first part. Second part they have asked is CSA of a cylinder. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. This is the formula to find CSA. 2 pi as it is, r is what? Radius is r only. What is h? H is 2r. Multiply 2 2s are 4 pi r square. This also we got the same answer. Square units. Third part, what we have to find? Ratio of the areas obtained. Ratio of surface area of sphere to CSA of cylinder. Answer: surface area is 4 pi r square. Cylinder also we got the same thing, 4 pi r square. Cancellations always in the pencil. So they are in the ratio 1:1. That's all. Sphere exercise and hemisphere part exercise was very simple and easy. Few homeworks also I have marked. You also have some worked examples. Practice them. You'll have more idea about these type of sums. So with this we end today's session.